Welcome back to SRC. It's Color Week.
And today we are reading The Festival of Colors by Kabir and Sarita Segal.
And we'll be doing sensory painting.
We'll be reading Festival of Colors, written by Kabir and Sarita Segal and illustrated by Vashti Harrison. And this is published by Beach Lane Books.
Festival of Colors. Guavas are ripening, lotuses are blooming, and Holi, the Indian Festival of Colors, is almost here. Chintu and Mintu are getting ready. Holly hey, they whisper. They gather hibiscus flowers because hibiscus flowers make red. They gather orchids because orchids make purple. They gather marigolds because marigolds make orange. They gather irises because irises make blue. Then they lay the flowers out to dry. Then they separate the petals. And then they press the petals into fine powders. At last, the petal powders are ready. Chintu and Mintu are ready too. And so are their parents. And their friends. And their neighbors. And then, poof, purple pops. Poof, red bursts. Poof, orange erupts. Poof, blue splashes. Poof, 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 poof. Holly hey, holly hey, holly hey, everyone shouts. Holi is a festival of fresh starts and friendship and forgiveness. But for Chintu and Mintu, it's also a festival of fun. Thanks for reading, you guys.
Today we'll be doing sensory painting, so let's jump in.
So for this craft, you're going to need black construction paper, a pair of scissors, a Ziploc bag, tape, and a variety of paint colors. Start by cutting a shape out of the black construction paper. We chose to do a heart. Make sure the shape you cut isn't bigger than the Ziploc bag that you chose to use. So just make sure your Ziploc bag fits underneath. Now put a variety of paints into the Ziploc bag. The more paint you put, the more sensory and squishy the painting will be. Once you've added the amount of paint you'd like, secure the bag shut. If you'd like to be extra careful, you can tape the bag shut at the top as well. Now tape the bag of paint to the back of the cardstock. Now your setup is all done, and then all it's left to do is squish the paint around. Have fun moving the colors together.
Hope you guys had fun.
Thanks for tuning in.